Adding tax to ingredients is essential for legal compliance, financial transparency, and helps in maintaining a fair and consistent pricing structure for your restaurant. In this video, we'll show you how simple it is to do this in your Sapaad POS. Let's dive in. Navigate to Setup, Inventory Setup, and click on Ingredients and Sub-Recipes. Type in the name of your ingredient in the search field. Once you've found the ingredient, click Edit. Scroll down to see the Tax on Purchase section and enter the tax rate in the text field provided. Finally, click the Update button to save your changes. And there you have it. Your ingredients are now tax ready. Check out our video on adding ingredients in Sapaad. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.